What's up guys, it's Cole with Pete and Pedro, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my 4 favorite hairstyles for men with long hair. So the first and probably my favorite one is the one I'm wearing right now, and that is the middle part. I like the middle part so much because it's that cool vintage look that's really been around forever. Even celebrities have rocked the middle part, like Johnny Depp, Brad Pitt. I think almost every famous celebrity like that has rocked the middle part at some point. Another reason I love this hairstyle is because it's very careless, very freeing, and it's very easy to style. A huge reason I can even pull off this hairstyle is because of the sea salt spray. Because the sea salt spray is giving me that beachy, wavy look that everyone's looking for, and it also adds on to that carefree and natural look. The next hairstyle I want to show you guys is the side part, but basically just with really long hair. I really like this hairstyle because you got that volume, you got the nice flow going on, and the only reason I'm able to have this much volume is honestly because of the shampoo and conditioner I use. And the shampoo that I use is the volumizing thickening biotin shampoo, and then the conditioner I use is the volume and strengthening biotin conditioner. And when you put those two together, the volume is insane. The third hairstyle I want to show you guys today is the slick back look. And in order for me to achieve this look, I use the cream by Pete and Pedro. And I use the cream in order for it to slick back and stay back. Now you could go for a more stronger hold product like a clay, but that all really depends on your own hair length and hair type. So what I like to do for this look is I actually like to take my sides and place them behind my ears. And I don't want to slick my hair too much to the point where the top of my hair is flat. I still want to have some volume on the top. I think I'd wear this hairstyle more in a professional setting, like if I was going for an interview or going to a business meeting, because to me it just gives off that professional vibe that I really like. And last but certainly not least is the man bun. Now I'm not gonna lie, this has always been a personal goal of mine to achieve this look because I've always kind of had shorter hair and I thought everyone who could pull off the man bun just looks so cool. I really like this look, especially the way I have my bun. It's more kind of loose, more kind of casual. And to make the man bun even better, I like to use an argan oil to make it look a lot more shiny and smooth. And I personally love doing this hairstyle when I go to work out, because with these other 3 hairstyles, my hair will just flop into my eyes every time I bend down, so that's not good. But I also love to do this hairstyle just when I'm going out to the grocery store. Maybe I want to go out for a walk. And I personally just love the way it looks, and I know I'm not the only one because I know the girls love it as well. So I want to know, out of the 4 hairstyles, which one would you pick if you had long hair? And guys, that's going to be it for me today. I hope you guys did enjoy my top 4 favorite hairstyles for men with long hair.